Hello, friends! Welcome to today's English lesson. We are going to learn how to use past simple and past continuous with the word while. It's going to be fun and easy, so let's get started. First, let's quickly remind ourselves about past simple. We use past simple to talk about something that happened and is finished. For example, it rained yesterday. The action is done, finished. Now, what about past continuous? The tense shows us something that was happening in the past for a period of time. For example, I was playing football yesterday. It's like the action was happening in the past but wasn't finished yet. When you combine the sentences together, it would be it rained while I was playing football yesterday. So, how can we use both tenses in the same sentence? The answer is while. Let me show you. Here's a sentence example. The lights went out while I was doing my work. Look at this. When is past simple because it's something that happened and finished in the past. While was doing is past continuous because it was happening at the moment. And while helps us connect these two actions happening at the same time. Let's do another example together. He fell over while he was cycling. Fell is past simple because the action is finished, while was cycling is past continuous, showing what was happening. And while shows these actions happen at the same time. Now, let's practice with you. Can you think of a sentence with past simple and past continuous using while? Here's a little clue. Think of something you were doing yesterday and something else that was happening at the same time. Ready? Got one? Awesome! Here's my example. The dog came while I was cleaning the room. Great job! You are doing amazing! Let's quickly go over what we learned today. Past simple tells us about something that happened and is finished. Past continuous tells us about something that was happening in the past. And while helps us show that two things were happening at the same time. Well done, everyone. Keep practicing making sentences with past simple, past continuous, and while. The more you practice, the easier it will be. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this lesson and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time and happy learning!